Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can style your drawstring ponytail. So your girl had a texture release about a week ago and I'm really feeling myself. I didn't want to relax my hair, so I'm just going to show you the different ways that you can style your drawstring ponytail. So starting off with this middle part and just leaving the sides a bit, I'm taking my kinky straight ponytail, which I got from Hair Hub on Instagram. I posted it a while back on my Instagram if you follow me. So I'm just going to attach, and I think this is like the go-to hairstyle for a lot of people when they're doing your ponytail. So just take a little bit of the hair and just wrap it around to further secure and also neaten the pony at the back. Hairstyle number 2, going in with these really tiny rubber bands, and I'm just going to kind of create pom-poms with the ponytail. So you pick one section and then you attach the rubber band, and then you do the same. You keep doing it till you get to the end of the ponytail. So it gets messy, just run your fingers through it to straighten it and just continue. Also, I want to wear my hair out a bit longer. That's why I'm not applying gel. So, okay, next style is going to be a really high ponytail. Luckily, the drawstring ponytail I have, the kinky straight I have, is full enough. So when I do like a really high pony, it's not too scanty at the end. It's full and it also matches like my natural hair texture. So it's even a win-win. So once again, I'm wrapping around to tighten it and also make it neater. And that's it. So that's your high ponytail. Moving to the next one, just section your hair into 2, and then what we're going to do is tight twist. So just twist it and just wrap it around tight. Then you take the remaining parts and do the same thing. Just go around the pony, twist, go around it. And then you just pin it to secure. So with something like this, on a normal day, I probably would add a lot of gel to my edges and scarf it down, but for the sake of the video, I will be combing my hair, so I don't want to put gel in my hair just yet, and also I want to wear this texture release out a little. So the next style is going to be our messy bun. So you just twist the hair up like a jumbo twist, very loose, because you want to be able to open it up like this to create the little mess on top. And what we will do is open up, and then you're going to use your bobby pins to further secure the messy bun. And then I'm just going to pull the sides a little bit. I love this hair so much. I even do it with my natural hair. I really, really love this. So yeah, that's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.